Oh no, they're not there, Mom. You told me they're gonna be there.
We need more MrBeast toys.
Don't worry, I got this.
Okay.
Move. Out the way, please. Go, restock, go!
Beast Labs is now being restocked in Walmarts all across America just in time for the holidays. Once these sell out, they're gone for the rest of the year, so make sure you buy Beast Labs while you still have a chance. Problem solved. Grab whatever you want on me.
Okay, thank you.
No problem, man. Are you gonna be able to carry all that? All right. Have a good day.